this is a dupe of the Rare Beauty lip oil. This is going to be my honest review. Also, do not apply too many layers. You need that hydration on your lips. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, this is Drishti Bora. So as you already must have read from the title, this video is a review plus swatch video, and I'm going to be swatching plus reviewing the newly launched Nykaa Lip Glaze Lip Oil. Also, this is the PR that I got and it is gifted to me. I am not getting paid to review this or swatch this or anything like that. Nykaa was really sweet and they just gifted me these lip oils because it's their new launch. So that's why I thought, why not share it with you guys also. So this is going to be my honest review and I'm going to review all the shades that I have with me. So now without wasting time, let's get into the video. So this is what all the lip oils really look like. I love all the shades. They're very versatile and they can go with any or every outfit. So let's talk about the packaging of this product. I think it is damn good because they have given this holographic sort of a situation here, and Nykaa usually doesn't have such great packaging. It's very minimal and like chic, but over here I think this is really nice and something different they've done. Also, it is definitely giving the luxe feeling, and I think this is a dupe of the Rare Beauty lip oil. I mean, that's what I've heard from people, that it's a dupe of the Rare Beauty lip oil, but let's see how it performs. Even though I've used these, but I just want to show it to you guys so that you can decide if you want to buy this product or not, because I'll have it linked below in the description box for you guys to check it out. So guys, if we talk about the ingredients, it has kakadu and chamomile oil, which I think is great for lips. If you have like really dehydrated lips, then you should definitely use some sort of oil because you need that hydration on your lips, right? If you don't want to apply lipstick and make your lips really dry, then you can go for lip oils like this. About the expiry, it's still 2026, which I think is fine because I think I'm gonna like exhaust these like very soon because they're so hydrating and I just love them. So one fun fact about these lip oils is that it's paraben free, it's mineral oil free, and it's also vegan friendly. So all my vegan people, you need this lip oil. Alright, before we get into the review, let me swatch all the lip oils for you guys. So let's see that first. So yeah guys, these were all the swatches of all the shades that I have, and there's only one shade missing, which is okay. It was not even my vibe, but anyway, if you want to go for these shades, then you can definitely go, and whatever shades I swatched for you guys, they look exactly the same because I made sure my lighting is perfect to show you guys the exact shade. Now talking about these lip oils, they are very pigmented and not at all sheer or like watery consistency. It has a very oil-like and a little buttery consistency. So like if you have really dry lips and also want to wear some color, you can definitely go for this one. Also guys, whenever I wear this on my lips, it's very non-sticky, and like I cannot feel that stickiness which you get from lip glosses. It's not there in these oils. So that's why also I love these lip oils because they are damn good. And this is my honest review. Like, I'm not getting paid to say all this, as I already mentioned earlier in my video, but yeah, this is my genuine and honest review for you guys. Now since these lip oils are not transfer proof, it can come off if you're eating something, but if you don't eat anything, then it's gonna last for 3 to 4 hours. Also, do not apply too many layers because it can get a little messy for you, and I'm sure you do not want that. So just make sure you apply 1 or 2 layers and that'll be enough. So also the best part about these lip oils is that whenever you take it off, it leaves a stain behind, which does not usually happen in like a lot of lip balms or lip glosses or whatever, but this one definitely leaves a stain. And by stain, I do not mean any other stain, it means the color of this lip oil. So whenever you apply it and it comes off, that color is still going to be there. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video, and I hope you guys found this review plus swatch video helpful. And if you want me to make more such videos, then do let me know in the comments below. Now go and subscribe to my channel right now, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.